Most people trying to start Amazon FBA in 2026 fail for one single reason: they fall in love with a product before checking the numbers. They gamble, and they lose. Today, I'm not giving you boring theory. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to find a winning product from scratch, right in front of your eyes. I will show you exactly how to validate if it will make money, or if it will bankrupt you. If you want to generate real online income and stop wasting time, this is the video you need to watch. My name is the host of Trending to FBA, and I am on a mission to monetize this channel in just 10 days. So, if you want to see if we make it, subscribe right now. Let's dive into the screen. Phase 1. The Social Mirror. Step 1. Don't start with expensive software. Start with real inspiration. I use a technique called the social mirror. I go to TikTok or Pinterest and search for hashtags like Amazon Finds or TikTok made me buy it. But here is the secret. I filter the results to show only videos from this week. I don't care about a viral video from 2 years ago. That trend is dead. I am looking for a video uploaded yesterday that already has 50,000 views. That is a rising wave. Look at this one. People in the comments are begging to know where to buy it. That is money left on the table. Let's write this product down. Now, we need to see if this is a real business or just a quick fad. Phase 2. The data filter. Ideas are cheap. Data is what matters. First, I put the keyword into Google Trends. Look at this chart. If the line is flatlining at the bottom, stay away. If it looks like a roller coaster, be careful, it might be seasonal. We want to see a steady incline or a stable straight line over the last 5 years. Now, let's go to Amazon. I apply the 3x3 rule to validate this niche. Number 1. Demand. Do the top 3 sellers have more than 300 sales per month? Number 2. Competition. Do they have less than 500 reviews? If I see competitors with 10,000 reviews, I'm not fighting that battle. I will lose. Number 3. Price. Is the price between $20 and $70? Less than 20, and the fees eat your profit. More than 70, and customers think twice before buying. You have to be honest here. If the numbers don't work, kill the product and start over. No emotions attached. Phase 3. Differentiation. Okay. Let's say the numbers look good. If you sell the exact same product as everyone else, you will end up in a price war. You need to differentiate. Here is the Trending to FBA secret sauce. Go to the competitors' listings and filter for 1-star reviews. Read this. Customers are complaining that the handle breaks easily or the material feels cheap. Bingo. That is your opportunity. Your job isn't to invent a new product. Your job is to sell the improved version. When you contact your supplier, you specifically ask them to reinforce that handle. Then, you put 2026 reinforced version in your title. You just beat 90% of the competition without spending extra money on ads. Recap and outro. Let's recap the blueprint so you can start today. 1. Find rising trends on social media, not old ones. 2. Validate the demand on Amazon using the 3x3 rule. 3. Find the weakness in the competition by reading bad reviews. 4. Improve the product and launch. It sounds simple, but it requires discipline. Don't fall in love with the item. Fall in love with the profit margins. This is just step 1. On this channel, I am going to document the entire process: sourcing, shipping, and the first sale. I'm not here to sell you a course. I'm here to show you the reality of the business. Remember, I have a goal to monetize this channel in 10 days. If you learned something new in this video, smash the like button and subscribe. Comment FBA 2026 below if you watched until the end, and I will reply to you with a bonus tip. See you in the next video.